Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Deidran. Happy New Year. Now, big bucks from Jamaica's Strong Hurricane Relief Concert. According to World Music Views, the event, which was held back on December 12 at the UBS Arena in Queens, New York, has raised more than US $500,000 in net ticket proceeds to support relief and recovery efforts following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. According to iReGem Foundation co-founder Bobby Clark, disbursements include US $150,000 to Shaggy's Make a Difference Foundation, US $150,000 to the Sean Paul Foundation, $150,000 to the Government of Jamaica Hurricane Melissa Relief Fund, and US $50,000 to the iReGem Foundation, earmarked for repairing and rebuilding primary schools in Cornwall, one of the hardest hit regions. In a statement, Clark stated that by directing funds to both national and community-based organizations, we are ensuring that support reaches persons, families, and communities where the need is most immediate and the impact most meaningful. Now, on the international scene, violinist sues Will Smith and his company for sexual harassment. A professional violinist, Brian King Joseph, is suing Will Smith over allegations of sexual harassment and predatory behavior. In a lawsuit against Smith and his company, Joseph says he was wrongfully terminated after bringing to light a, quote, sexual threat of violence made against him. Smith's attorney called the allegations false, baseless, and reckless. The new complaint follows a $3 million lawsuit filed last month by a former associate against Will Smith's wife, Jada Pinkett Smith, claiming she verbally threatened him. After 40 years on air, MTV's music-only channels are now a thing of the past. Those channels around the world, from the UK to Ireland, France, Australia, and Brazil, went dark on Thursday. It ended just as it began, with the music video killed by radio star. The music channel is still on the air in the United States. However, it recently canceled popular shows Catfish and Ridiculousness. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching. All the best for the new year.